In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your Wix password step by step. This is a simple but very important thing to know, especially if you want to keep your website and account secure, or if you think your password might be compromised. Whether you're a beginner using Wix for the first time, or someone who's been managing a site for years, this process is quick and easy once you know where to look. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy website and software tutorials. Now, let's jump straight into it. First, open your web browser and go to wix.com. Once the page loads, log into your Wix account if you're not already signed in. Make sure you're using the correct email address associated with your Wix account, especially if you manage multiple sites. After you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Wix dashboard. This is where you can manage your websites, settings, and account details. Next, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile or account icon there. Click on that icon to open the account menu. A drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your Wix account. From this menu, click on Account Settings. This will take you to the main account settings page, where Wix lets you control important things like security, login details, and personal information. Once you're on the account settings page, look through the options on the screen and find the section labeled Password. This is where Wix manages all password-related settings for your account. Click on Password to open the password management area. Here, you'll see your current password information, along with an option to make changes. Now click on the Edit button next to the password section. Wix will ask you to confirm your identity by entering your current password. This is an extra security step to make sure only you can change your password. After entering your current password, you'll be prompted to create a new one. Type in your new password carefully. Make sure it's strong and secure by using a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using simple or repeated passwords that you've used on other websites. Once you've entered your new password, confirm it by typing it again in the confirmation field. When everything looks correct, save your changes. Wix will then update your password immediately. From this point on, you'll need to use your new password the next time you log in. If you're logged in on multiple devices, you may be asked to sign in again using the updated password. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Wix password. This is a great habit to get into regularly, especially if you manage important websites or client projects through Wix. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.